friends, welcome to OneClickAgri YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get latest video notification. Health advisory: smoking tobacco kills. Please read the disclaimer of OneClickAgri YouTube channel. We are running rapid objective series for MCAER, ARS, JRF, SRF, BHU, NET SET and many other agricultural exams for quick revision. This is part 15 and we will be continuing from question number 701 to 750. Let's start. Cultivation of crops, rapeseed and mustard, which are the major pests of mustard. In that, mustard aphid and sawfly. Next, National Research Center for Mustard is situated at Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Next, which are the important diseases of mustard? In that, alternaria blight, white rust, downy mildew and stem rot. Yield of mustard 500 to 800 kg per hectare. Next, cultivation of crops. In that, tobacco. What is botanical name of tobacco? That is Nicotina tabacum. And how many species of Indian tobacco? That is 2 species. In that, Nicotina tabacum and Nicotina rustica. And Nicotina tabacum is growing for the purpose of smoking and saving purpose. Next, Nicotina rustica is growing for purpose of hookah, shaving and snuff. Next, transplanting age of tobacco, that is 7 to 9 weeks at 4 to 5 leaf stage. Next, nicotine content percent in tobacco, that is Nicotina tabacum, in that 0.5 to 5.5%, and in Nicotina rustica 3.5 to 8. Next, cigarette tobacco is prominent growing in state of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Next, the seed rate of tobacco is 2.5 to 3 kg per hectare. Next, which are the mutant varieties of tobacco? Jaysri and Bhavya. Which is a most critical stage for irrigation of tobacco? That is topping stage. Next, as a source of nitrogen, tobacco crop required fertilizer of potassium nitrate. Next, desuckering of tobacco is done by malic hydrazide 2% concentration. Next, priming method of harvesting is popular in which type of tobacco? Cigarette, wrapper and shaving type of tobacco. Next, flue curing in tobacco is done for cigarette tobacco. Next, fire curing for bidi, snuff, shaving, hookah. Next, nicotine content accumulates in which part of the tobacco? In the leaves. Next, in tobacco, nicotine mainly produced by roots. Next, key features of Nicotina tabacum, that is plant height 150 to 250 cm, large and narrow leaf, nicotine content 0.5 to 5.5%, used for smoking, shaving and grow in light soil. Next, key features of Nicotina rustica, plants smaller than tabacum, nicotine content 3.5 to 8%, used for hookah, shaving and snuff purpose, mostly grown in heavy soil. Next, which is the best soil for the tobacco growing? That is mild acidic, pH 5 to 6. Next, sodic soil is unfit for the tobacco growing because of due to chloride ions. It results poor burning quality of leaves in the tobacco. Which tobacco is the best for cigarette? That is flue cured Virginia. Next, which tobacco is the best for the bidi and hookahs? That is non-Virginia type. Next, tobacco type having maximum area and production is non-Virginia type tobacco. Next, which tobacco type is maximum export? Flue cured Virginia, that is FCV. Next, which is the first hybrid variety of tobacco in India, that is GTH1. Next, Central Tobacco Research Institute is situated at Rajmundry, Andhra Pradesh, and established at or in 1947. Next, which state of India has highest production in non-Virginia type of tobacco? Gujarat. Next, seed rate of nursery of tobacco is 20 to 30 gram per 100 meter square. Next, number of seeds in 1 gram of tobacco, that is 10,000 to 12,000 seeds in 1 gram. Next, which is the ideal time for tobacco nursery sowing, that is second fortnight of August. In tobacco, removal of flower heads to improve size, quality of leaves is known as topping. Next, removal of lateral suckers, auxiliary buds in tobacco is known as desuckering. Next, process in which the matured leaves are removed in a tobacco is known as priming. Next, how many priming is required for the entire harvest of the tobacco? That is 5 to 6 priming required. Next, when top leaves of the tobacco develops a red rusty spot, it is called as spangles. Next, in tobacco, stalks harvesting is mainly done for bidi, hookah, cigar and cheroot. Next, drying process in tobacco is known as curing. Next, which fertilizer is essential for smoking tobacco? That is potash. Next, which potassic fertilizer is best for tobacco? Potassium sulfate. Next, which is the most widely distributed virus disease of tobacco? Is tobacco mosaic. Next, which is the most important pest of tobacco in a nursery? Tobacco caterpillar. Next, family of tobacco, that is Solanaceae. Next, what is the origin of tobacco? That is America. Next, taste weight of tobacco, that is 2.5 to 3 gram per 10,000 seeds. Please be remember this 10,000 seeds. Next, the sequence of different operations in tobacco crop. First is topping, second desuckering, third priming and fourth curing. Please be remember this. Please watch next part. And now it's time to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get latest video notification. Thank you for being with us. See you soon in next part. Bye bye.